That right there is swing points. And this is what we were talking about in the other call. Swing high, swing low. New higher high, price can't go below here. And so what is price doing? Pulling back into the area where they sold very aggressive, but they at the same time, or after that, they bought very aggressive. So now that right there, creates some sort of support, just like this. And that's just showing you that this level here is just an area where you expect when price comes into here, a bounce. And that's just why you see within, this month, right? Or, at the moment, what's going on? Money's coming in. And that's what we like to see. So as of now, it's a good time to, to enter into long term. Okay. And what you want to do is you want to target the next previous high. Because for market structure, yeah, it's doing higher high, higher low, higher high. This is just one low. Because yes, we have multiple candlesticks here, but you see as in how it never broke above here yet?
Yeah.
It never broke above that area. And so for a structure to continue going higher, it has to do what? This. And that's what it's trying to do within the last 4 months. Because remember, we're on a 4M, which represents one candlestick here, 4 months. Okay. So within the last 4 months, what has Starbucks been doing? This. That's what it's been doing on the 4-month period. But if I want to break down this 4-month candle, meaning that if you already have your structure, you already have, your imbalance, because this is a full imbalance down here. Look on how price came back up, filling the imbalance, came back down again. So all in all, before a big move, creates itself, they like to play around. They like to manipulate. But as long as we're holding key levels and we're holding bullish structure, we should continue finding a way to the upside. So let's pretty much, write a note for ourselves, because again, this webinar is going to be a breakdown of Starbucks. And also this is going to be a webinar on how you can break down any stock, any crypto coin, any Forex pair. If you ever, start seeing us in, you want to start trading currencies. But yeah, that's just what it is. So as of now, how many times have this level, has been, being bought up? Once, twice, 3 times. So big banks, small banks, hedge funds, and all those kind of people, they like to, they're loving this price right here. Right here, 71.48. Why did I do that? Is just because this level right here shows me each time where price pulled back, rallied up. Price pulled back, stopped there, rallied up. Price came back at that level again, rallied up. So
Okay,
that
so
shows
I'm assuming that, I'm sorry to cut you off, but I'm assuming that 71.48 will be considered the supply zone,
demand,
demand zone.
demand zone, because demand is just pretty much, think of it like when price, or actually demand is at the bottom and supply is at the top. Or yeah,
Okay, so demand. Okay, so when I read it, right, it was so confusing because it was saying like demand is buying at the low price, so that's why it's demand, because it's at a low price.
correct.
Whereas supply is selling at a high price.
Correct. So demand is
Okay.
discounted price and supply is already at a overbought, and we can just say expensive, price.
Okay.
And think about it. When there's too much supply, when it's overbought and it's too expensive, nobody wants to buy. Okay. Nobody wants to buy. We love discounts. We love the best, deals, right? Just again, like real estate, right? We want the best deals at a discounted price. And then when we get a discounted price, we want to sell it at a supply or at a high price. Because what we want to do here is we want to buy low and we want to sell high, not the other way around, buy high and sell low, because there's no point. So we're all here to make money, because what we're going to do here is we exchange our orders for people that, want to buy at a higher price, because maybe they believe, or maybe their analysis that they're using is, a good spot for them to enter. But at the end of the day, it's like, yeah, we let it go. We agreed at this price that we're going to sell it for. Okay, cool. You take it. I made my money. I made my profits. Now this is all on you.